Now we are tracking the tropics this afternoon. Texas is hunkering down as Tropical Storm Alberto lashes the Gulf Coast with heavy rain and wind. Rough surf is already pounding the beaches in South Texas. Meantime, flooding is already hitting parts of Galveston's downtown. A flood watch is in effect there until tomorrow. People in a town near Corpus Christi are providing sandbags to residents ahead of this heavy rain. Brian Slocum has been telling us about Alberto all week. Now it is officially Alberto. You know, the people living there are probably thinking, all right, it's time to gear up. This is just the start of the hurricane season.
It is up to 25 named storms possible this year based on the high end of NOAA's prediction. That's 4 more names than the list will allow for. So
that's a lot. And this is months, you know, months ahead that we'll be talking about these.
Yeah, early season there isn't usually a ton of storms developing, and of course this is the first of what is expected to be many. But already it's impacting a U.S. coastline, and you can see, you know, we talk about preparations. I think the time for preparations is probably done at this point. You're in it right now. We've got some strong gusts. Occasionally these heavy bands of rain are moving on shore, and when you see this intense rainfall coming in, that's when the gusts really peak. The peak gust I've seen so far is over at Corpus Christi, up to 38 miles per hour. I think gusts into the 40s will be a possibility, but this isn't going to cause widespread wind damage. But the rains have been inundating this area, and it has caused coastal flooding, a little bit of inland flooding, and they've got flood watches posted for much of South Texas until Thursday, about 1 o'clock Thursday. So you're looking about another 24 hours of this there. Certainly could see some 5, some 10-inch rainfall totals, especially in interior Mexico. You'll see this swap over to a tropical storm here in the last couple of frames, since it was just christened an hour ago. This is moving toward Tampico. Probably take about 18-20 hours to get there based on this current speed of the storm. That brings it in sometime around sunrise, local time, early Thursday morning. Very good storms blowing up around the center. And so we're watching this 40-mile-an-hour winds. We're expecting it to move due west and make that landfall point sometime very early tomorrow morning, and then bring some heavy rains into some elevated terrain, and mudslides and flooding are probably the 2 biggest impactful things we'll see in interior Mexico. We've had some clouds around, but we're on the edge of this. There's a battle going on in the atmosphere here locally overhead. A lot of moist air starting to get squeezed just to our west. But you can look at the water vapor imagery. This ridge of high pressure that is really baking the northeast is starting to build south, and some of that dry air is trying to squeeze out this huge plume of moisture that's coming out of the Gulf of Mexico. If we take a closer look, the oranges and the dark colors you see are dry air. When it gets gray and milky white and even purple, it's moisture trying to work its way in. This is why we've seen kind of fluctuations in the amount of humidity, or the dew points that have been in the air, the amount of moisture that we have in the air. Temperatures as a result are going to feel warmer during the soupier times and a little bit better during the drier times. We have temperatures getting into the 80s right now, on our way to high temperatures that are going to be in the mid-80s a little bit later on in the afternoon. Your forecast has those temperatures up near 86. Could see some variation in that depending on how much cloud cover we see today, and then temperatures cool, if you can call it that, into the 70s and eventually the upper 60s a bit later in the night tonight. We've got more warm weather moving our way. In fact, temperatures from here only go up, upper 80s and near normal highs tomorrow, but we're back in the 90s starting on Friday. Hottest temperatures of the season expected Saturday and Sunday so far, 94 and 95 degrees respectively, heat index near 100.